Newcastle College end of year test for year 1's May 2020, question 2. And we're given y is 3 to the power of x. Express each of the following in terms of y in simplest form. Well, okay, just indices, this question. 3 to the power of 3x is the same as, let's write the answers over here. 3 to the power of 3x is 3 to the power of x cubed, and that's equal to y cubed. 1 divided by 3 to the power of x minus 2 is the same as 1 divided by 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of minus 2, and that's equal to 3 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the x, and that's equal to 9 divided by y, because y is 3 to the power of x. So can you see what we did? We've used our index laws to rewrite 3 to the power of x, take away 2, as 3 to the power of x times 3 to the minus 2. Because what do we do when we times different powers of the same number? We add the powers together, don't we? So if we add x and minus 2, we get x minus 2. So all we've had to do is apply that rule backwards. And then the next rule is to apply the fact that 3 to the minus 2 is the same as flip it and 3 to the power of 2. So we flipped it, so we've taken 3 to the minus 2 off the bottom, put it up the top, and the power becomes plus. And 3 squared is just 9, 3 to the power of x is just y. This one, 81, is 3 to the power of 4. 9 is 3 squared, and I've got to do 3 squared, which is my 9, to the power of 2, times 3 squared, which is my 9, to the power of minus 3x. Alright? So there's 3 squared is my 9, and 2 minus 3x is the same as 9 to the power of 2 times 9 to the power of minus 3x. And I've just rewritten 81 as 3 to the power of 4. So I've got 3 to the power of 4. This minus 1 is going to come up the top and times 2 times 3 is 6 x's. And then I've got to divide by 3 squared squared. So 3 to the power of 4. So that 3 to the power of 4 and this 3 to the power of 4 cancels, and I can rewrite this as 3 to the power of x to the power of 6, so I've got y to the power of 6. Let's just recap that last one. I've rewritten 9 as 3 squared, I've rewritten 81 as 3 to the 4. What am I doing with my 9? The power of 2 minus 3x is the same as 9, rewritten as 3 squared, look, times, to the power of 2 times to the power of minus 3x. I've used my index add law the wrong way around, backwards if you like, to take the answer and to turn it back to what it was before I simplified it. Each one of these multiplies. 2 times minus 3 is minus 6x. So a minus 6x, like this 3 minus 2 on the bottom here, became 3 to the power plus 2 on the top. So the 3 to the minus 6x on the bottom becomes 3 to the 6x on the top. And my 3 to the power of 2 squared is 3 to the power of 4 because I times my powers together the same as I've times those two powers together. The 3 to the power of 4 here and the 3 to the power of 4 there cancel. I'm left with 3 to the power of 6x, which I can rewrite as power to a power. We multiply the powers, so I've done the power law of indices backwards if you like. And now I've got 3 to the power of x, which is my y, to the power of 6.